So Sidrunas, it's not familiar terrain for you in third place, but this going to give you motivation to do another year of strongman?
For sure, I'm not planning to retire, and I would like to compete at least 2 more years. And my dream to win Arnold Classic 7 times, and after six victories. 2 competition was not so successful. Last year I injured in competition, and this year I come with small injuries and do a lot of mistakes. So now I'm looking for next year to come stronger and healthy.
What would you say is more important for you now? To win World's Strongest one more time, or to win Arnold's again?
Today I maybe say that I would like to win Arnold Classic 7 times, but it's both competition for me very important, and I try to win 3rd time World Strongest Man and 7th time Arnold Strongest Man. I try to do it.
Well, good luck to you, Sidrunas. Great job.